Hi everyone, my name is Alicia Salcido. Welcome to my Week 3 multimedia discussion for MPA 580 Code of Ethics. In this presentation, I'm going to be reviewing the Professional Code of Ethics, which I chose Riverside County Department of Public Social Services, and then I'm going to be reviewing the Religion Code of Ethics for Taoism. I'm going to be comparing, contrasting DPSS and Taoism to see if their ethical frameworks agree or disagree. And then I'm going to be reviewing the virtue theory, as I believe this theory best fit for the different code of ethics that was chosen. For the Professional Code of Ethics, I chose Riverside County Department of Public Social Services. I did list the core values below. All of these core values are all very similar. They're all just trying to be straightforward, accountable, and there is a lot of different people that use these different types of services, so it's primarily like customer satisfaction and like customer base because we're serving a community. For the religious code of ethics, I chose Taoism. This was a very cool kind of research to do just because I've always been so familiar with like the yin and yang sign that's shown here in this picture, but I never really truly understood like the religion aspect. So it's like the core values like simplicity, flow, letting go, and harmony. This religion is very like committed to yourself, just trying to like be true to yourself, be connected to the environment, just like go with the flow and be very calm and simple. To agree or disagree with the professional and religious code of ethics, they are completely different. For DPSS code of ethics, their core values is to have accountability, respect, diversity, and to focus on your customers because you are servicing a community that's in need. You are making sure that they receive the correct services and receive it properly because that's like their civil rights. They have the right to receive these type of benefits as U.S. citizens. So you're just trying to make sure that you're there for the customer, doing everything for them. With Taoism, it's completely different just because instead of focusing on other people or the community, you're focusing on yourself. You're understanding that whatever problems you have, you're letting it go or you're gonna flow with it. You're trying to be very connected to yourself, to your environment, and that is where the harmony comes in. So these two ethical frameworks do not agree with each other. For the ethical theory, after doing the research for the professional and religious ethical framework, I believe virtue theory best fit these ethical frameworks. The virtue theory, it's just basically being the best character, um, just doing what's right, not always having to follow guides or rules. Your character should emphasize that there's more to that, just based off of your actions. And I do see that with both of the professional and religious um, core values because when you're working for DPSS, you're doing the best you can to serve your community. For Taoism, you're doing your best to connect with your environment, to not hold on to whatever issues or negativity that you have in your life. You're going with it and you're just being the best self that you can. And that's how I see the connection with this virtue theory, with the religion and professional um, code of ethics. And that was end of the presentation. Thank you guys very much for listening. I hope you guys have a nice week.